Hey everyone, so this is going to be heart reading for all the sign. How have you been? Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. And okay, so the main message that I'm hearing is don't shiver when this happens or this will happen. Okay? When this will happen. Don't shiver when this happens or happen. However you want to say. I mean, this is what I'm hearing. But this is going to be very crazy for some of you. A surprise, and they're also saying a surprise visit. Surprise could be visit real time of someone, and you're going to be don't shiver, like shiver out of excitement. There's going to be shivering out of excitement. Don't shiver when this is going to be coming for you, because I'm going to just show you the card and everything, but that's what they're saying. So for everyone out there, no specific sign, but what else? What else? What else? Okay, yes. Thank you for support, donations, and I highly appreciate it. You may do so via PayPal. People are doing it. Smallest of gesture is also very, very meaningful, and I appreciate it because it does help and support. Because you know the situations of the YouTube and all that, algorithm views. So, but there are people who love me and support me, and they do visit and they do hype, like, share. But also, I appreciate donations. So contribution is very, very important for me as well. Okay, thank you for that. Also, you may connect via my Gmail for private readings and all this stuff. And also, I have PayPal, then my GPay ID, and then UPI. So there is this very, very important message that came. Don't shiver because you're going to. It's because it's going to be unexpected or sudden, because it's a sudden either visit, sudden call, sudden message from someone that is going to give you this energy of like maybe you knew it that's going to it's gonna come or something, or maybe it's just like you wished for when you're going to see someone's number, or something is there which is going to give you that shivers. I'm telling you that. Now, I don't know whether you really want to hear, because some of you want to hear from them, okay? Or I don't know, I'm having hiccups and all that stuff. Or also something like a tiny burp, kind of, or something was stuck. Okay, let's start with the reading. But you know what? I'm going to use this particular deck, okay? And what I mean to say is that the bottom energy is your message, because I shuffled sort of like saying, hey, I know what is coming, but I won't tell you because shivers. So you have something coming, okay, which is foresight. Insane. Because both the ways, two roads going, okay? You don't know. It's going to be surprise on both the roads though, because some of you will take this way, some of you will take this way. So it's saying this way, and it's in the future. It's in the future, and they're saying few days, 2 weeks. So as per your timelines, whenever you listen to this reading, hope it reaches to you, hope you make better decisions, hope you get surprises. Few days to weeks, few months. Okay, it's written, that's what I'm reading. Direction forward. Something is going to be direction forward. So wherever you are right now, whether it's with the person, whether it's someone is in front and you have to make the decision, or something that you're feeling like I should move on, even if it is about moving on from something, some memory, some delay, some person, you're going on your next chapter. It's a new direction, and whenever this is a new direction, it's a better direction. Okay, so what we are going to do is going to shuffle it. We're going to shuffle it. We're going to shuffle it. It came out. I don't know which card is that, but I'm going to just see. Okay, then I haven't seen that, but for now, I also have this message of like someone is playing like peekaboo or hide and seek. Okay, it's like Sometimes it's hi, then it's gone. Sometimes hello, and then gone. Now I feel like it's so weird and stupid of the person, but this person doesn't know that once they are going to lose you because they've already lost you, it's never going back for you. Okay. Okay, so your card is wow, amazing. Because few days ago, in one of the reels that came in front of me, and I haven't searched for that. That is crazy. There was an owl. Okay, was some sort of message of good luck and things like that. Okay, but I am not a that person, like superstitious person kind of. So I believe in everything is magic, but not superstitious things, like you know what I mean, right? So, but it was like something that came through was magical, and the owl was so beautiful. And you have pursuit an owl. Wow, majestic. And the message is chasing, persistence, hunting down, resilient. Now, the message, what was the message that I said in the starting? I have to again listen to the reading. Only then I can remember. Of course, I'm going to write it in the title. Maybe. What's the message? So let's continue from here because I know there was something connected with the person. What was the card? I forgot that card as well. Yes, foresight. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, I said so that this is something. And this is the next direction. This is could be next direction. Oh yes. Don't shiver. Oh, thank God. Don't shiver when this happens. Happen and shall happen, because this is going to happen for you. So what is going to happen for you is that someone is going to possibly chase you. Um but hunting down is not a good thing though. I don't know, but someone is going to chase you. I know this much. So someone who is going to be coming for you, okay? And this someone could be, just give me a second. And this someone could be who has eyes for you. So don't shiver when this happens, okay? So this shivering is not a bad shivering though. It's going to be like you're going to be surprised, basically. Um, and they are going to like persistence is there, like persistence or persistent energy. So I'm tired. I'm feeling like really, it's nighttime. I've changed my timings because I felt like, and then it's, of course, it's getting late now a little bit. And honestly, my bed is calling me, and I just want to lie there and stretch my arms and my leg, and so I can relax. Um, just like this. Okay, so, but this is coming for you. Okay, so whatever is coming, it's good coming. New direction is coming. So it's in the future. Okay, and you're going to shiver when you're going to change the direction as well. Why? Because it's going to be maybe uncomfortable a little bit for you, like a tower moment, or maybe it's going to be like, well, how can I? But why? And the shiver is also because when there's going to be sudden contact, sudden message, sudden call from someone, you're going to be like, you're going to actually have, you'll have a tiny jump of surprise, and you're going to be like, what? So yeah, and you may check an owl symbolism by yourself. For some of you, you may be seeing, like owls might be visiting you, or you might be seeing an owl. Okay, so you have the card gamble. What is going on in your mind? Or you want to figure out what is going on in this person's mind, whoever is calling you. You may have this question of like, are you playing a gamble? Like, sort of. Is it a gamble for you? Like, you know, look at this. Taking a risk, poker face, not showing feelings, rolling the dice. You understand this? You understand this? That you have a new direction coming. So if one is not placing properly the dice and not playing well, not being good, not being genuine, what you're going to do? You're going to change the route. You're going to this way, that this way, or this way. Okay. So what is good for you? So you should never tell anyone what is your next move, first of all. If they're playing games with you, of course you're going to change the, pathway. But look, this. Some of you are going to take a risk. This is a gamble, sort of, for you. Maybe it's for career. Maybe it's for career. Okay? Maybe it's something that you're going to chase. You're going to chase your thing, your aim, your career, and all that. Look at them together. Someone who thought that you're going to chase them, but you're not doing it. Okay? So you're just figuring out in your mind, and you're collecting those pieces at the backward, and you're arranging that stuff and all that. So it's like taking a risk and being poker face, not showing your feelings, actually not showing, rolling the dice, not showing feelings. You're not going to show feelings, and that's when tables will turn. And that's wow. So you're, maybe for some of you it's not two energies, maybe it's one energy, and one your career or somewhere you're moving your pathway, which is very important for you. Okay, so yes, this is somehow connected with past for some of you, the recent distant past. There is history, it happened, left behind, looking back. Okay, okay, so it's a gamble. What is coming in future? So in the now phase, like you are playing, like it's just take it as it goes, like gamble, but your energy is like what? It's not being projected. You see this, like if you're like this and you're like, it makes it changes everything. I know inside you might be emotional or hurting, but when you don't show it, it affect that person. So don't shiver because you have been shivering and you've been, you know, hurt, but don't. When you don't, tables turn. And this is what I see, someone is coming around. What? Maybe they thought that, oh, I'm so smart, but no, honey, everyone is smart. You're in your single phase or detached mode, but you're also open to possible talk to someone. Look at this faith. This is your faith you're putting in. Okay. Now, gamble is just a projection here. Okay. You're taking a risk for something. This could be work. This could be love. This could be anything. Faith, wishing, praying, hope. You're wishing and praying and hoping for something, and you're going to see the results. Trust me on that. Whether it's work, whether it's someone. So don't get shivered when the call is going to happen. When the call is going to come, when they are going to be, emotions like waves in and out, crashing, unpredictable. Oof, someone is into this emotions. I'm telling you that. So they're going to come. They are going to come. It is connected. It's for some of you past energy. Okay. Take care and what? Yes. See you soon. Bye bye.